What if I told you there's a place that takes you back 300 years and where the time stands still? This special place is located just above Amsterdam and is definitely worth a visit. But before I show you this amazing village, I would like to ask you to subscribe or leave a comment. This beautiful historic village was founded in 1963. Various wooden national monuments have been moved here, and over time, cultural history museums, craft shops, and catering establishments have been added. This village clearly shows how people in the Netherlands lived and worked in 1850. Today, this is the only place in the Netherlands where you can still see and feel this on such a scale. One of the main attractions are, of course, the windmills, which the Netherlands is famous for. It is possible to see these windmills from the inside. There are also some great shops to be found, although they do feel a bit like a tourist trap. Let me know in the comments what you think of this village so far. There was one windmill that was not only open to tourists, but also served as a commercial sawmill. You can see how tree trunks are sawn into planks with only the power of the wind. That was really special to see. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let me know in the comments what you think of this beautiful village.